How to cancel Livecareer subscription. The first things first is you'll need to have, and of course, a Livecareer account. Now, I'll just have to open up any browser that you want to use for this video. I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, don't forget to log into your account, and this is going to be your Livecareer subscription. Now, for you to cancel an existing subscription, just hover your mouse to your name, which is your account, and go to Settings. Now, once you're in settings, you're going to be seeing three options here: general account settings, subscription, communication preferences. Now, just go ahead and click on subscription. And if you have an existing subscription to this platform right here, you should be able to see manage account or cancel existing subscription. So you just have to click on cancel subscription for you to be able to stop paying monthly or any specific option and what did you choose on that current subscription. That's it. That's how easy you can cancel an existing subscription on Live Career.